Interrogative sentences. When did he last go to the doctor? When did he last go to the doctor? What time does he usually get up in the morning? What time does he usually get up in the morning? What time do you usually get up in the morning? What time do you usually get up in the morning? When did he leave here yesterday? When did he leave here yesterday? Whose bag is this? Whose bag is this? How much is the deposit? How much is the deposit? When did you get home last night? When did you get home last night? What time does the meeting start tomorrow? What time does the meeting start tomorrow? Who's in charge of this project now? Who's in charge of this project now? Where can we meet tonight? Where can we meet tonight? How long will it take? How long will it take? When do you come back to work? When do you come back to work? Why did you leave the meeting so early yesterday? Why did you leave the meeting so early yesterday? What time does the plane arrive in New York tomorrow? What time does the plane arrive in New York tomorrow? How can I help you today? How can I help you today? What's the name of your friend? What's the name of your friend? How often do you have lunch with her? How often do you have lunch with her? What does she do for a living? What does she do for a living? What did you do yesterday afternoon? What did you do yesterday afternoon? Who is this man? Who is this man? What did he say? What did he say? What was the price of that car? What was the price of that car? How much is that computer system? How much is that computer system? When did this building open? When did this building open? How many years ago did you graduate from high school? How many years ago did you graduate from high school? What does this company do? What does this company do? How much is your share of stock worth? How much is your share of stock worth? When will we go to Europe next year? When will we go to Europe next year? How many months are left until the end of the semester? How many months are left until the end of the semester? How much does a cup of coffee cost? How much does a cup of coffee cost? When will we go to New York next year? When will we go to New York next year? What did you do last weekend? What did you do last weekend? Have you ever seen this movie before? Have you ever seen this movie before? Who are the two people that were in my office yesterday? Who are the two people that were in my office yesterday? What is the value of this painting? What is the value of this painting?